Welcome to Hardwired McLean. We're going to replace this old vector control panel with a new ADT command control panel. First, we must locate the security box and its step-down transformer. Remove the step-down transformer to de-energize the panel. Now that's de-energized, we can begin to work on it. First, we remove the fastener. Once we open it up, we can see it's connected by a 4-wire and 4 screws, which is holding the back plate on. We're going to disconnect the 4-wire and remove the 4 screws, releasing the back plate. Back to the control box, the first 2 slots is our aux power. That's going to our step-down transformer. Slots 5, 6, 7, and 8 is the 4-wire that's going to our keypad. First, we remove our 2 aux wires and have them ready. Then remove our keypad wires and have them ready. Next, we're going to splice the 2-wire and the 4-wire of the keypad together. We're going to utilize all 4 wires here, the red and the white wire together for the positive, and the black and the green wire together for the negative. Next, we're putting up the back plate. We'll use 4 drywall screws to fasten it down and use our level to verify it's square. Now we're attaching our 4-wire to our panel using the red and white wire combined together for the positive side and the black and green wire together for the negative side. Now we're going to attach our step-down transformer. Red for the positive and black for the negative. Now we're going to go ahead and plug the step-down transformer in and fasten that screw down, tightening it in place, making sure it's secure. Now the ADT command panel is energized and ready to go. We'll go over some of the key benefits that makes this panel superior to the older models. The ADT command panel supports up to 250 total devices/zones, including a mixture of security sensors, life safety devices such as smoke and carbon monoxide detectors, and smart home products. The system is designed for high capacity, capable of managing 128 wireless sensors zones, up to 40 Wi-Fi cameras, 232 Z-Wave devices, and that's with a max of 5 thermostats and 5 door locks. The breakdown being wireless security zones 128, cameras 40 Wi-Fi cameras, Z-Wave devices 232, users up to 96 users, up to 32 key fobs, and up to 8 secondary keypads. Meanwhile, an old wired system consists of a circuit board that only contains 8 zones, which only consists of the security side of the system. So no cameras, nor Z-Wave technologies such as door locks. Now we'll briefly go over the functions and operations of the ADT control panel. At the top of the panel, you'll see 2 green lights. The one on the left indicates that the panel is getting power. The one on the right lets you know that all the zones are closed and the system is ready to be armed. Also, at the top is a little line. That's a drop-down menu. Go ahead and click that. Now some panel options for screen brightness, volume, voice, tone, screen shut off, dark mode, built-in camera, quiet mode, and clean screen option. Up in the top right corner is a folder with live panics, fire, police, personnel. Hopefully you don't need any of those, but they're there if you do. Remember, these are live panics, so if you select one, ADT doesn't call and ask if everything's okay. They're just going to send help. Go ahead and select arm away if you're leaving. Don't need a code to arm, you just hit that quick arm stay if you're staying for the night. Either click quick arm or in the night stay button. Remember, the doors typically have a 30 to 40 second delay. The night stay removes that entry delay. If the doors are open, the alarm will go off instantaneously. Arm custom allows you to be specific with your arming. For example, let's say you have a party in the back. So we'll select back door, hit arm custom, put in your code, and an entry delay. Now the entire system will be armed except for the back door. But remember, you gotta deselect it because it's permanent until you make those changes. Next is automation. Now this folder, your door locks, dimming light bulbs, irrigation, things like that will be housed. Now we partner with Google, so the cameras show up on the Google Home app and not the panel. Now we're gonna go ahead and select zones. In here, it tells you the list of your auxiliary equipment. The important part is it tells you your battery life. As it starts to dwindle, it's going to go from green to yellow to red to a sliver of red. Now, I'm supposed to tell you the battery life lasts 36 months, which ironically is the length of the service agreement. But anecdotally, the batteries last about 5 years. Next, we're going to scroll over and select tools. Now, you need the code to get inside of tools. And the reason for that is because users is in here. Under users, you can change the master code, you can add people, and you can delete people. To change the master code, hit master, and then click edit. Hit user code, type in your new code, then simply hit the save button in the bottom right corner to confirm the change. Let's go back. Keep in mind that if you add a person, you can't give them the same code as the master code. that causes issues. You can give them master privileges, just not the same code. Back again. Disarm does just that. Disarms everything. Advanced. This is just really for the techs to come in, troubleshoot, and test the system. Help videos. So say you're having an issue or trying to solve it yourself. There's some website you can go to that'll walk you through how to do some things. There are help videos and tutorials. And one of those videos shows you how to change the batteries when they get low. They all take the same battery. It's a CR123A 3-volt battery. It's a simple and user-friendly process. Next, we'll select Wi-Fi, hit scan for network, find your network, select it, and then put in your password and hit connect. Easy peasy. Now events. This is a living document of every time a zone has been breached. It's time-stamped and it's dated. And at the top there, in the middle between the two lines, is actually a camera. Every time you put in your code to disarm, it actually takes a picture of you. So if someone had your code that wasn't supposed to have it, you'd see who they were. And lastly, this is the back button. In the bottom left corner is the weather. Click that, you get the next 5-day forecast. Yeah. Hit like and subscribe for more videos like this. And if you're interested in home security, feel free to reach out to me for a quote or for more information. Our services are available all over America.